What's going on, guys? So I got a beater and my exhaust is leaking at the resonator, so I have to fix it, and by doing that I have to chop off the old one using a nice sawzall. So here's the beater, the 2000 Jetta sawzall. Jetta. Here's the exhaust pipe that I have to put on. Jetta. It's hard to see, but there's the old exhaust that's got to come off. And I got to chop a band clamp up. I mean, it's crusty down here, but it's not like...
It's nowhere near as bad as I thought it was.
No.
I figured it would be.
I figured it would be too, honestly.
Well, that's the beautiful thing of a $300 car, is you can fix everything with a sawzall.
That is very true. Whoops.
I think it looks a little fucking worse for wears.
A little bit. Yeah. Again, it's your $300 car. You can solve that anything.
Pretty much.
Oh, you need to fix that?
Need a sawzall, need a screwdriver and a hammer, have you up running a jiffy.
Pretty much, dude. Like I said, how much do I actually care? Not that much.
$300 worth of...
Exactly. $300 worth of care. Doing that.
Hold on, let go.
Yeah, buddy.
Just a little sawzall, a little brute force. Yeah, it definitely caused an exhaust leak or two.
Well,
So you got a new one, allegedly.
I do, yeah.
New old stock.
It's newer, yeah.
Oh, that should work out real good. Keep in mind, I appreciate my right foot.
I do too. I appreciate my
Pretty big fan of my shins too, and my ankles.
cross member anymore, but and this should slip over, and I should be able to put a band clamp there, and then I should just be able to band clamp that.
Yep.
Cool. Let's read a band clamp.
Do you have the band clamps?
No.
Well.
I wanted to make sure I could get this stuff off before
Buying them?
Yeah, because I wasn't sure like how much I would actually have to cut off. So, all right, let's go.
Clamp right here.
There's one.
What the fuck are those? Wait, what the fuck is that?
I ain't going anywhere.
No. Now it's just this mess right here.
Okay.
Make sure to clean the rust off to ensure a proper bond to the metal.
Muffler tape, dude.
Who needs to weld when you have muffler tape? If it fits, it chips.
I mean, I ain't going anywhere, honestly. I'm gonna put another just like, for a quick little wrap around. And, yeah, I give it about a C+.
I mean, that's a passing grade.
That'll harden up
Yeah.
once you start it and it gets warm. Yep.
Sick. Well, there's the hackest exhaust repair I've ever seen in my life, but it'll buff out.
I don't know if you want to get out.
No, you're good. I like to live dangerously. You got a small leak back here, at least. From where it was, it's much better. Yeah, once that hardens, it should fix itself in theory. Now it's so much quieter than what you had. Is there any leak up there?
Yeah, it's from the catalyst.
But no leak at the band?
Nope, no leak at all.
Nice. This one's already starting to go away a little bit.
Alright, again, I'd like to thank each and every one of you guys for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe for more mediocre content, such as this, please do, and take care.